In a quiet town where a school stood still, the children dreamed of a Christmas thrill. Their tree stood ready, its branches bare, but the little bulbs refused to flare. The kids checked the bulbs, their faces fell. The magic they'd hoped for lost its spell. Two clever minds with paper in hand sketched a dream for a light-filled land. They showed their plan to the principal there, their eyes so bright with a hopeful stare. He called for help, his voice full of care, and soon a team gathered to share. Ideas sparked like stars in the night. They planned a way to make things right. With Solax leading, their powers so strong, Photonica followed to help all along. Then sun.store joined, their tools in hand. Together they formed a brilliant plan. Panels were loaded, the truck hit the road, carrying sunlight, their generous load. On the school's rooftop, the workers toiled, transforming rays into energy unspoiled. And soon, oh soon, the big moment came. The tree lit up in a dazzling flame. 1,000 stars shone in their view. Their Christmas dream had all come true.